is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered.